P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.
Have the most fascinating history. Intriguing principally, not come along. Intriguing principally, not for what is said about it, but for what is left unsaid. The villagers have the most extraordinary stories about. Dear Carla, meet me here tonight is important. I have found something out. You must come.
That's all right, keep me fit. One of my class wasn't there this morning. No, why wasn't she there?
Susan,
Yes.
she has a slight touch of fever, I believe. She's in the sanatorium.
I had a slight touch of fever myself.
Little Nick's going to get mangled, spangled, and totally tangled. And we're just going to have a good time and talk shite as usual. Right, we're not quite sure where we're going, so I'll bring you legends back in a Winnie Mandela and we'll find a nice little cabin spot. How we? I think we went too far, Nick. We just had a double back, guys. And just through here, I think. Where the hell is this conversation going? Anyway, guys, Jake Head, Jake Eads Head.
This is a pint tin, this.
Alan Swallow. No, it is nice, seriously, and I'm sorry for.
It's not our fridge back.
There you go, Schmidt. You have that. It's got hits.
I can feel by the lamp and the girth. Oh.
Nice. Smell that, Nick.
I want to give him a full clear and clean of his property.
How many skips? I can't find my DVDs. There's somewhere in these bags rubbish somewhere. Have you stolen them? Where are they?
Because he doesn't want to get
Amber.
much that's in the property. He's sort of trying to be here to run through everything. It's going to be stressful for him.
I'm surprised little shit hasn't come downstairs.
No damage done early on. Probably didn't do a great deal wrong, but Leif Davis did a great deal right. Says if they listen to the pundits, it's hard to be positive about the new season, but in the camp they are all really excited about having European football at Sunderland for the first time in over half a century. Risky, and Ciso has capitalised. Emerson up there, made it too, and Ciso goes in alone. Big chance.
Trying to like make up this game because we can't compete and we can't play in this way. Football's a soap opera. It's the reality of it, and there's always stories within the narrative, and there's goodies, there's baddies. You need to live with that, and wherever you were dealt, you deal with.
At times, right from that very first minute, the way they controlled the game, the way they passed the ball, they did everything.
P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. Pink Day Productions present a compilation of pouring.
There is a glass.
And that's it.